In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find contacts and add friends on the Waze app. Whether you're looking to easily connect with your contacts or plan a handy meetup by sharing each other's locations, these steps will get you set up seamlessly. To start, you'll need to allow Waze access to your contacts. This is an essential step as it lets the app pull in contact information, allowing you to easily search and navigate to those you want to connect with. So, ensure Waze has access to your phone's contact list before moving on. Now, with your contacts ready to be synced, open the Waze app on your device. You should see the main navigation screen, which is your hub for all travel decisions. From here, the next move is to scroll down and find the More Options section. This might be located within a menu or a tab, depending on your app version. Once you've reached the More Options, look specifically for the feature labeled Drive to Friends and Family, which might also be noted as Search Contacts. This is where you'll tap to allow Waze to synchronize with your contacts. When prompted, make sure to grant any permissions necessary for accessing your contacts. This prompt typically appears if you haven't already set it up, and it's a quick step towards more efficient use of the app. With contacts now accessible, let's move on to navigating directly to a contact. Open your Waze app and let's tap the search bar located usually at the top of the screen. The search bar is your gateway to typing in any information you're looking for. Here, you're going to type in the name of the contact you intend to navigate to. As you start typing, your contact might pop up automatically if it matches any information stored in your phone. After finding your contact's name, you'll want to select the desired address linked with that contact. Doing so will bring up their location on the map, giving you a visual cue of where you're heading. Once the correct address is selected, Waze offers two options for proceeding: View Routes or Go Now. Selecting View Routes allows you to preview the journey, considering possible traffic conditions or alternate paths. Opting for Go Now will kickstart the navigation immediately, guiding you step by step from your current location straight to your contact. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've not only connected your Waze to your contacts, but also learned how to navigate directly to them with ease. Thanks for taking the journey with us today, and don't hesitate to explore more of Waze's features to enhance your travel experiences. Happy navigating!